Hey y'all, we're out here in Little Elm, Texas doing a solar install with High Performance Restoration. He had us out a couple months ago just to see what solar could do for him. We were able to help him save about $60,000 to $70,000 over the lifespan of the panels. We're out here on October 23rd. We're starting to go into the heart of fall, where we're going to be going into winter soon. And batteries really help people stay protected when the grid goes out. They can store power, they can keep it in reserve, so if their power ever goes out, they have a way to generate electricity without the power, without relying on a power grid or a power company. As inflation skyrockets, you're protected, you're at a fixed rate. You want to do solar with High Performance Restoration. We're a great company here in Frisco. We stand by our word. So if anything ever happened or if you needed assistance with something, we'd be there in a heartbeat to help you out. There's a lot of misinformation out there about solar. One of those being that it doesn't work on cloudy days. That's just not true. It still works. It still brings in energy through sunlight at 80% capacity than what it does on sunny days. Perks about signing solar with us is right now we're offering a vacation voucher upon signing. With the vacation voucher, and a lot of people think it's one of those deals where you got to sit down, listen to someone talk, and give their spiel about having some vacation home in Egypt. This is not what that is. It's just simply a vacation voucher that you can spend taking your family or just you and a loved one on a vacation to almost anywhere in the world. So if you were thinking about taking a trip or anything like that, this would greatly help out the cost of that. Click on the form below, give us a call, and we'll set up an appointment so we can run through all this solar information for you.